If you fix and flip real estate, one of the coolest things that you can do as a real estate investor is changing out the baseboard trim inside of a property. And it's one thing that gets overlooked in many of these fix and flip real estate. A lot of times we have colonist trim and it's easily painted. But if you've got something that's deteriorated, we've maybe had some water damage, something like that, well, we may need to replace the trim or the baseboard inside the property, and we're using this really cool 6 inch. It's squared off, the little quarter round, and the baseboard itself is squared off. Very, very modern looking, rather inexpensive to do. And you can do this one on the baseboards. And you can see here as well, you can do that around on the trim on the doors. And it really, really looks much more modern. Now, if I had two properties that were listed for sale, and the two homes are next door to each other. One has the old colonist trim, and this property, like here, has this particular trim. You walk into those two houses, this home looks so much more modern. And for a simple fix, when you have to change the trim, just upgrade a little bit and use something that's similar to this on the baseboard and trim around the doors. You're going to say it has a major impact on the sale and making that property look more modern comparative to everything else that's on the market. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. And as always, check out our website, chaseforeclosure.com. Thanks.